विद इंट्रोडक्शन। सो पहले मैं अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा बता देता हूँ और उसके बाद हम थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन लेके उसको सेशन को स्टार्ट करेंगे। मेरा नाम साकेत मित्तल है और अभी एक एमएनसी में एज ए सॉफ्टवेयर कंसल्टेंट काम कर रहा हूँ। और साथ ही हमारा कोचिंग सेंटर है जो माय वाइफ शी विल इंट्रोड्यूस यू एंड शी विल टेल यू अबाउट व्हाट शी इज डूइंग एंड व्हाट वे वी आर बिल्डिंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। साथ में इस अपॉर्चुनिटी के साथ हम काफी साल से जुड़े हुए हैं जिसके बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे। और इसको अटेंड करने के बाद आपको एक इंसाइट मिलने वाली है। एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है? एक्सपेक्टेशन ये है कि 30 to 40 मिनट्स विदाउट एनी डिस्टरबेंस आप जो भी आज बताया जाए उसको सुने। देर इज नो प्रॉमिस कि जो चीज हम बात करने वाले हैं वो आप लोगों के लिए काम करेगी या नहीं करेगी, बट हाँ, आपको ये पूरे टाइम में पता लग जाएगा कि अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या है, कैसे काम करती है, इससे मिलता क्या है और कैसे इसको किया जा सकता है। राइट? तो हम आगे बढ़े इससे पहले आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट पीयूष विल इंट्रोड्यूस यू।
Hello everyone, I am Piyush Goyal and I run an education center. I am into academics more than 22 years and we are passionately working on this opportunity which we are going to share with you very soon. And again, the requirement is just be focused for coming 30-40 minutes.
ओके। सो सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहूंगा, जो मेरी लिस्ट में सबसे ऊपर आ रहे हैं मिस्टर अजीत। तो अजीत से मैं जानना चाहूंगा, अजीत अपने बारे में बताएंगे कि कहाँ है, रहते हैं, क्या करते हैं और आज आपको किसने इनवाइट किया है।
Hello. Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Ajit.
Yeah, sir. I am from Giridih, Jharkhand, and right now I am doing graduation. I am in BA Part Third, and I have some little bit of idea about network marketing, and I am searching a good platform to start with. So that's all.
Great. Welcome, Ajit. Welcome. इसके बाद हमारे बीच संध्या पुष्पराज हैं, बट उनका ऑडियो ऑफ है। अगर किसी ने उनको इनवाइट किया है तो प्लीज उनको हेल्प कर सकते हैं कि कैसे वो ऑडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मेरी आवाज उन तक नहीं जा रही तो मैं बता नहीं पाऊंगा। तो एनीवन हु हैज इनवाइटेड हर और हिम, तो प्लीज हेल्प। मैं तब तक अपना प्रेजेंटेशन शेयर कर रहा हूं, तब तक आप उनको इन्फॉर्म कर सकते हैं। Okay, Sunanda has invited. I cannot hear you, Sandhya, by the way. Sunanda? Okay, so I hope my presentation is visible to everyone. Can someone just either unmute and share with me or just type in the chat box so that I am sure कि ये आपको दिखाई दे रहा है।
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible now, Bhaiya?
Yeah, Sunanda, I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. Sindhya Pushparaj, she is invited by me.
Mm-hmm.
She is pinging me that she can't hear the audio.
Can you help her that
Yeah.
how can she switch on her audio?
Yeah, I will help.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just taking a pause for 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds. Meanwhile, you can help her. So meanwhile, let me tell you all about myself. जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि मैं सॉफ्टवेयर कंसल्टेंट की तरह काम कर रहा हूँ और अभी 2 बिजनेसेस से एसोसिएटेड है, एक कन्वेंशनल है और एक जो आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। और इससे पहले मैंने बीटेक किया है और उसके बाद IIM कलकत्ता से MBA किया है। ये सारी चीजें मैं क्यों बता रहा हूँ, उसका रीजन पर्पस ये है कि एक अवेयरनेस हो जाए। इसका मकसद ये नहीं है कि जो आज मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ उसके लिए क्वालिफिकेशन क्राइटेरिया है, राइट? सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। और जो आज हम बात करेंगे उसके अंदर एक चीज मैं एज ए डिस्क्लेमर भी बोलना चाहूंगा कि अगर आपको कोई भी चीज जो मैं आज बता रहा हूँ, अगर आपके पास उसकी कोई पहले से जानकारी है तो उसको you just keep aside for 30 minutes and that will help you understanding this business in better way. So I can see that Cynthia Pushparaj has audio switched on. So can I ask you a little bit about yourself? Can you please introduce where are you from, what are you doing, and who has invited you?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, and my name is Cindy. I'm from Bangalore, Vivek Nagar. Hello.
Yeah.
So I got this reference from Devika.
Okay.
Okay, since due to this lockdown, we had been laid off. So I was just looking for a part-time or a full-time job. So she just referred me that you can look into this. So I just wanted to know how it works. And I was quite interested. This, it's only for hours or 2 hours. So I wanted to go for it and try it.
Okay. So may I ask you, what did you do earlier? I mean, which company or what kind of work profile you had earlier?
Okay, so I was working for a logistics company.
Okay.
So there I was working as office coordinator cum admin. So it was mostly into admin and into HR. So yeah.
Okay. So we have a mixed crowd today. So may I know which is the preferred language for you? Do you understand Hindi or you are comfortable only in English, so that I can plan my session accordingly?
I'm very much comfortable in English. I can understand Hindi.
Okay.
But very much comfortable in English.
So that's great. So this would be a mixed kind of session. I would try to maximize in English. It would be little English and little Hindi, so that everyone can understand this. And if you are unable to understand, you mean everyone on the board. So please raise your hand or ask it. That's fine. So before you joined, I introduced myself that I am Saket Mittal. I am working in a software company for more than 20 years right now. And right now I am working as a software consultant and residing in Jaipur. I worked more than 15 years in Gurgaon. I worked in Bangalore. I was in Indiranagar, and my office, there was a company called Marketex owned by WNS. It's a long story, but just thought that I should share that. And now we are working on the opportunity, as everyone is aware कि हम लोग कैसे अपने काम के साथ, maybe we can work with the work we are doing, we are pursuing, or it could be pursued with anything you are doing. Maybe if you are a housewife, you are working in a company, you are having your own work. So I am into job. My wife has a coaching center. She is full-time busy if you look, but if you are able to spare 2 to 3 hours per day, I mean, this opportunity can do wonders for you. And I'll share my story in between when we proceed. Okay. So this is an entrepreneurship opportunity. आप सभी लोगों को दिख रहा होगा ये, but क्या है, कैसे हम लोगों के लिए काम कर सकती है, how it could be change our life. So first of all, it can change the life of only those people who are into looking zone. I'm sure if anyone has joined here, he or she must be in looking zone. But sometimes it doesn't mean, this really doesn't mean we are into looking zone when we are not doing anything. I was not in looking zone earlier when this opportunity was introduced to me. uh, uh, you can say just I was not that ambitious that I should have something which is called wealth. हम लोग पैसे के लिए काम कर रहे थे, जॉब के अंदर जाते हैं तो we are working for money, but we were never told that there is something called asset based income which is called wealth. If something goes wrong with your job or something you are doing, we don't have any kind of backup, but if you have a kind of residual income, you keep on making money even if you are not working. So these are something some credentials for which we will be talking today. Okay, you are ambitious. अगर आपके पास अच्छा ambition है जिसकी वजह से आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं, this can work you. But the thing which I am going to share with you can only and only work if you are ready to learn and if you are ready to willing to change. दोनों चीजें मैं क्यों कह रहा हूं, अपने एग्जाम्पल से बताने की कोशिश करूंगा. So I did my engineering in mechanical, but I am a software professional. Cynthia, can you tell me, अगर मैं अपनी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग की नॉलेज से सॉफ्टवेयर बनाना चाहूं, is it possible that I can write a software with the knowledge of mechanical engineering? Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible, because it doesn't depends on your studies or anything. It only depends on your mindset and your willingness to learn the job.
Correct. So,
Yeah.
willingness to learn the job. So that means I have to learn.
One thing
Yeah, sorry, please say again.
Yeah, even one thing I want to tell, even I am not from a HR background, or even I am not done my HR thing. I was into a totally kind of technical background, but I moved on into HR. So if you have a mindset to move on or change the job or learn the job, yes, you will surely do it.
Okay, great. Perfect. So learning is one thing and making changes in another thing, क्योंकि कई बार हम बहुत सारी knowledge भी grab कर लेते हैं, but if I am not willing to change, my results are not going to change. For example, if I am heading towards Delhi, because I am in Jaipur, if I am heading towards Delhi, I will never reach to Mumbai. तो इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि मेरी स्पीड कितनी है, but I will be in wrong direction. So मुझे अगर मुंबई पहुंचना है, then I have to change my direction towards Mumbai, right? And this opportunity is good for those people who are looking for a kind of affordable business. हम लोग बिजनेस क्यों नहीं करना चाहते, उसका रीजन केवल और केवल ये होता है कि बिजनेस के अंदर बहुत सारे हैसल्स हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट है, देयर इज नो ट्रेनिंग, और दैट व्हाई वी व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर कि कोई ऐसा काम मिल जाए जो यहाँ पे हम कुछ घंटे काम करें और उसके बाद हमें पैसे मिल जाए, राइट? नाउ आई विल पिच इन वन थिंग, व्हाट वी आर वर्किंग फॉर. So most of the time we are working for our dreams and needs. तो कुछ ड्रीम्स नीड्स तो हम लगभग फुलफिल कर लेते हैं, बट कई बार हमारे ड्रीम्स फुलफिल नहीं हो पाते. व्हाट आर आवर ड्रीम्स? वी आर लुकिंग फॉर हैप्पी होम्स, गुड कार, वेकेशंस, लाइफस्टाइल एंड लॉट मेनी थिंग्स, सेविंग्स एंड चिल्ड्रन एजुकेशन. But most of the time, even if we are working for more than 60 years, we are not able to achieve these dreams. These are all these dreams are associated with what we call as money, right? Am I right? So आज हम दो चीजों पे फोकस करेंगे, how much money we are making and the way we are making this money. Both are very very important and interlinked in some or other way. So हम लोग चाहते हैं कुछ लीगेसी छोड़ के जाएं, but whenever we are building or working for our dreams, making money, we are leaving behind many of the values, what we call like family. Sometimes we are compromising on family. I'll give my example. I am from Jaipur, but I went to Gurgaon or Mumbai or Bangalore, US. Why? उसका पर्पस सिर्फ ये नहीं था कि मुझे वहां जाने में मजा आ रहा था या बैंगलोर की मुझे लैंग्वेज सीखनी थी, like, but that was the demand of my job. I was not enjoying doing that, but that was part of my job. So we compromised on family, sometimes on हेल्थ, समटाइम्स ऑन ऑनेस्टी. सो कई बार गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स के अंदर तो ऑनेस्टी भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज करनी पड़ जाती है. बट व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टुडे, हाउ कैन वी अचीव ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सबसे पहले ऐसा क्यों होता है उसकी बात करेंगे, क्या चीज है जो इसके अंदर बदलाव ला सकती है उसकी बात करेंगे, और हम उसके अंदर कैसे ये टूल साबित हो सकता है, वॉट एवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टुडे. सो व्हाई इट हैपेंस कि हम लोगों को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है, उसका रीजन एक ही है, द इनकम विच वी आर मेकिंग इज नॉट एज बिग एज आवर नीड्स एंड ड्रीम्स. सो व्हाट वी डू, जो ये यहाँ पे स्फीयर बना हुआ है, उस स्फीयर को हम कंप्रेस करके उसके अंदर फिट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. डू यू थिंक ऐसा होता है अजीत? कैन यू टेल मी, ऐसा होता है कभी कभी कि हमारी मतलब कि ऐसे लोग, या तो अपने साथ ऐसा हो रहा है या फिर कुछ लोगों को हम ऐसा जानते हैं कि वो हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज अलग अलग फ्रंट पे कर रहे होते हैं. पहला फ्रंट हो सकता है कि जो चीज हम अफोर्ड करते हैं हम वो चीज लेके आते हैं बजाय उसके जो चीज हमें पसंद आती है मार्केट में जाते हैं. तो क्या ऐसा होता है, आपने नोटिस किया है कभी?
यस सर, अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि चाहते हम कुछ और हैं लेकिन अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते, तो जो अपने अफोर्ड कर पाते वही लेके आते हैं.
So I have realized since the beginning, जब हमने फ्लैट लिया गुड़गांव के अंदर, तो मतलब हम जिस प्रॉपर्टी डीलर के साथ थे हमने अपना बजट बताया तो वो हंसने लगा हमारे ऊपर. बोले साकेत सर आप मजाक कर रहे हो, गुड़गांव में जो आप बजट बता रहे हो उसके अंदर कुछ मिलेगा नहीं आपको. And I was shocked because I was recently shifted to Gurgaon. I was in Jaipur 2004-2005 when I shifted. That year only I bought my house there. But later on I realized कि हम लोगों ने जो लिया, no doubt कोई खराब नहीं था, अपना घर होना अपने आप में बड़ी बात थी वहां पे, बट अपने ड्रीम्स उससे थोड़े से ज्यादा थे. सो ऐसा कहीं कहीं अलग अलग हो सकता है. किसी का ड्रीम हो सकता है 2 व्हीलर से 4 व्हीलर पे शिफ्ट होना भी एक ड्रीम हो सकता है. नाउ कुछ चीजें तो नीड्स ऐसी होती हैं जिनको फुलफिल करने के लिए भी हमको कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है. सो दिस इज हाउ मच इनकम आर वी मेकिंग. नाउ आई विल कम टू ए पॉइंट वेयर आई वुड इंट्रोड्यूस ए स्लाइड विच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्लाइड ऑफ दिस सेशन. आई कैन से दैट. सो देयर आर ओनली 4 ways ऑफ मेकिंग इनकम. ये अगर हमें समझ में आ गया कि व्हाट आर द 4 ways ऑफ मेकिंग इनकम, how we are making income right now, and what are the opportunity, अगर ये समझ में आ गया, then believe me this session is going to make your life easy rest of the life. So मुझे पता नहीं था, this is picked up from a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. उन्होंने बताया कि there are only 4 ways. ESBI. E stands for employee, S stands for self-employed, B stands for business owners, I stands for investors. What is the difference? Among these 4 categories, he made 2 quadrants, left hand quadrant and right hand quadrant. So left hand quadrant is a quadrant where people are working day in day out and making money. What I mean by that, कि अगर ये काम करते हैं तो पैसा आता है. देखिएगा कि there is a clock associated with them. The moment they stop working, उसका reason कोई भी हो सकता है. For example, 2009-10 के अंदर when I was working in a company called WNS. Their account got bankrupt and I was on bench. I was not laid off practically, but kind of in the situation of middle. So that was the time when I was transferred to Bangalore and I traveled around many cities because of the companies acquired by my company. So what I'm saying कि अगर हम समय लगाना चाहते भी हैं तो भी इनकम तभी होगी जब कोई जगह है जहां पे समय लगा सकें. Right? So these people are never going to make big income, asset build नहीं कर पाते. Second, the moment they stop working, the income goes zero. E और S में केवल एक डिफरेंस है. E stands for employee, जो कि किसी कंपनी में काम करते हैं. There is a boss, and in self-employed they are working their own. For example, our coaching center, we are not reporting to anyone. We are working for ourselves, or you can say that we have employed ourselves in our company. But the moment we stop working, income goes zero. So ये 90% लोग जो left hand category के अंदर है, these are 90% people, and 10% on the right hand side, business owners and investors. ये कौन लोग हैं? Business owners have leveraged their time and effort. They have created a system और उस सिस्टम में बहुत सारे लोग काम करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इनकम इज नॉट जस्ट डिपेंडेंट ऑन देयर ओन एफर्ट. इससे क्या फायदा होता है कि छोटे से एफर्ट से बहुत बड़ी इनकम क्रिएट की जा सकती है. वी विल लर्न दैट हाउ टू डू दैट, बट वी विल नॉट tell you how to why to invest that much money. We don't have to employ a lot of employees. उसके बिना ये कैसे हो सकता है वो बात करेंगे, because we will talk about the information age. इंडस्ट्रियल एज के अंदर ये होता था कि बहुत सारा इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे एम्प्लॉयज होने चाहिए, वी हैव टू वर्क लाइक दैट, बट वी विल टॉक अबाउट इंफॉर्मेशन एज कैसे होता है उसकी बात करेंगे. एंड इन्वेस्टर्स की वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट मच. दीज आर द पीपल फॉर देम मनी इज वर्किंग टू जनरेट मनी, राइट. एक ग्लिम्स लेंगे हाउ मेनी आवर्स वी आर वर्किंग इन होल लाइफ. वी आर वर्किंग फॉर 40 आवर्स. हमें पता है ना कि जो लोग कॉर्पोरेट्स में वी आर वर्किंग टाइम फिलिंग अप टाइम शीट्स 40 आवर्स पर वीक. कई बार वो 40 की जगह 50 भी हो जाता है, 60 भी हो जाता है, बट वी हैव टू फिल टाइम शीट ऑफ 40 आवर्स एंड वी आर बीइंग पेड फॉर ओनली 40 आवर्स. बस आई मीन आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल दैट we are working for 40 hours for 50 weeks and we are working for almost 2000 hours a year. And even if we are working for 50 years, which is in some cases not possible, most of the cases it is not possible, but even if we are working for 50 years, we are just working 1 lakh hours. On the other side, if we talk about business owners, they have hired suppose 50,000 employees. I just take an example of Reliance Jio. They have hired 50,000 employees. If each employee is working for 8 hours only per day, 4 lakh hours working hours are happening for Reliance Jio. How can we compare 1 lakh whole life and 4 lakh only one day? We'll understand that. So let's understand industrial age model, how we are working, how money is moving, how we are creating assets for others. अभी तक जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, जो भी कर रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से wealth किसी और के लिए create हो रही है. कैसे? Let's take an example. Suppose I am working in a company. I'm taking my example. You can take anyone else's example. And suppose here Sunanda is. I know Sunanda is working in a TCS and other. I mean, multinational company. But suppose I am working. I was working earlier, long back 2005. I was working in IBM. I created a software. But do you think I am being paid for that software right now as well? Sunanda, can you tell me, do you think I would be paid for that software right now as well? I worked long back 2005. No. But do you think
No.
IBM is making money through that software in some or other way? Maybe they have upgraded or something, but still.
Yes,
Yeah.
they will be, because when we are employee of a company, whatever we will be developing over there, it will be the copyright of that company, and they will generate a money from that software that you have developed or your team for years and years, but we don't have any right on that. Once we left the company, we will not get directly any benefit from it.
And for that matter, this could be any IT company or a bank or some other LIC or something, right? We have built asset for those companies. Once we are out of that company, still that is generating income for them. तो ये काम हम कर रहे हैं लेकिन किसी और के लिए एसेट बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. मैं ये क्यों बता रहा हूं कि हम लोगों के पास ये पावर है कि हम काम कर सकते हैं, एसेट जनरेट कर सकते हैं, बट फॉर टाइम बीइंग what we are doing, we are building asset for others. अगर बैंक के अंदर किसी एम्प्लॉय ने कुछ अकाउंट्स ओपन किए हैं, even if he leaves that bank and goes to some other company, those accounts are generating income for that bank. Now let's leave that part. Suppose I earned 5 lakh rupees a year, worked for 10 years, and now do you think I would have 50 lakh rupees in my bank account? अजीत, आपको क्या लगता है, होंगे मेरे पास 50 लाख रुपए 10 साल काम करने के बाद बैंक में?
नो सर, क्योंकि कुछ तो खर्च भी हो जाएंगे ना, ज्यादा तो खर्च ही हो जाएंगे.
कुछ केस के अंदर तो कुछ खर्च हो जाते हैं, ज्यादातर केस के अंदर कुछ केस में पूरे खर्च हो जाते हैं और कुछ केस के अंदर उससे ज्यादा खर्च हो जाते हैं। 50 लाख कमाए हैं लेकिन हमने EMI भी ले रखी है जिसकी वजह से हमारा खर्चा ज्यादा हो गया है। वी आर ऑन दैट साइड। दैट्स करेक्ट, थैंक्स अजीत। सो जब हमने ये काम किया तब भी हम किसी और के लिए एसेट बिल्ड कर रहे हैं। कैसे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने घर तो ले लिया, उसकी वजह से जो EMI जा रही है बैंक उससे अर्निंग क्रिएट कर रहा है। नॉट ओनली दैट, अगर मैंने कहीं से कुछ सामान खरीदा, मे बी ग्रोसरीज एंड एनी अदर थिंग्स, द स्टोर which from which I am buying or maybe online store or something, we are building asset for that. लेकिन उसके अलावा एक काम और बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हम कर रहे हैं। वो काम क्या है? We are helping them with our network as well. I will ask a question to Sindhya. Sindhya, आप बताएंगे, if I am visiting Bangalore and I want to bring something back to my home, क्या चीज ऐसी है जो कि बैंगलोर की फेमस है, which I should either eat or buy for my house?
Means after earning or
No, I'm just coming Bangalore to
how
visit.
you are
And
asking?
I'm coming Bangalore just to visit, and I met you. You are my friend, and I Sindhya, can you suggest me some place where I can have my dinner today? A nice place. What would you suggest me? Hello, can you hear me?
I would suggest you for Taj.
Taj. So
Hello. Yeah.
Thank you. So suppose you suggested me Taj. I went there, I had my dinner, and I was really happy. And I thanked you, Sindhya. You gave me suggested very nice place to me. Now, in this whole scenario, who made money? You, me, or Taj?
Taj made money.
Correct. This is the thing which we are doing every day. Whether it is a car, whether it is a hotel, whether it is a restaurant, whether it is anything, we are helping we are helping others to build their business. जो ये रेफरेंस है, और उसका एक बहुत बड़ा एग्जांपल आई विल टेल यू कि फेसबुक, वेयर आई बिलीव एवरीवन इज देयर ऑन फेसबुक। सबके पास बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स, वो भी होगी, क्या कहते हैं, फ्रेंड्स लिस्ट होगी बहुत बड़ी। Do you know who is making from that friends list? Are you making that income or someone else? Not someone else, Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. Ajit, आपको क्या लगता है?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat the question?
So on Facebook, we have a lot of friend list, or you can say your
Sir,
network.
voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. Just give me a second. Let me check.
How do you?
Is this better now?
No, sir. Not audible.
Is this a problem with only Ajit, or everyone has a being issue with my voice?
I can
Yeah,
hear you clearly, Bhaiya.
Okay.
No, there is some break in your voice.
Okay. So
Some words we can listen and some is like muted.
Okay. No, that's fine. But is this audible, or I should make
Now audible, sir.
Now it's audible.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
Because it is showing good internet connection at my side. Just check that. So maybe it was a little shaky at other side. So I was asking कि Facebook पे हमारे बहुत सारे friend list है. I can say that is my friend circle or my network. But am I making some money out of that, or you are making money out of that network?
No, sir. We are not making. Facebook is making.
Facebook is making, and Facebook is a very rich organization, या ये कहें कि top 5 top 10 के अंदर है। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि there is a power associated with that network which we have built, but we are not making any money. तो आज हम यही बात करेंगे कि ऐसा कैसे हो कि जो काम हम कर रहे हैं उसकी वजह से एसेट हमारा बिल्ड हो, किसी और का ना हो। This is called information age. This could be your future, where you will own your own store. Your network will be your own, and you will buy back your time. कैसे होगा और अभी तक ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता था? उसको समझेंगे why it was not happening and now what we can do that it starts happening. So this is called network marketing 2.0. This is called a platform economy, where if you have a platform you can build your own asset. अभी देखते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म इकोनॉमी हेल्प कैसे करती है. Let's take an example of Uber. So what Uber has done, he has created a platform where a taxi which was a kind of liability for a taxi owner has become asset. How? अगर टैक्सी कंपनी की बात करें so bringing 50 or 100 taxis, it was a huge investment. Now if we talk about a taxi owner, that was a liability because there are a lot of maintenance and everything is associated. So there was a platform where Uber introduced a mobile app where all the taxis and the customers can be connected, and they all are they are building the asset. उनके लिए कोई एक liability नहीं है, liability को asset में convert कर दिया. And believe me, Uber is the largest taxi company. कितनी टैक्सी ओन करते हैं? Zero. We all know. Airbnb, OYO, इनको भी हम जानते हैं. They provide hotel rooms, but they don't own any hotel rooms. So these are the largest companies. Now I am going to introduce a platform which is called FMCG platform. The FMCG goods like shampoos, soaps, and detergents. These are all energy drinks or health drinks. These all are the liability in the sense that we need them day in day out. बट उसकी वजह से कैसे हम एक बड़ी इनकम जनरेट कर सकते हैं उसको थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं, कैसे उस लाइबिलिटी को हम एसेट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल ऑफ दैट इकोनॉमी? If an individual having expense of 100 to 150 rupees per day and having a social network of approximate or average 300 people, and down the line, one line down the line, if we have a network of 300 people, it is a network of 90,000 people जिनका अगर हम एक दिन का एवरेज कंजप्शन देखेंगे, दिस इज 1 crore rupees per day. So this is a huge potential associated with that. Now the platform which I am talking about, network marketing, has a huge potential in India. Why I am saying that? So let's have a look on the world scenario. If we talk about USA having 32 crores of population, they having a turnover of more than 2 lakh crore rupees. China, Japan, Korea. China is a huge country, but let's talk about Japan, where it's only 12 crores population having more than 1 lakh crore of turnover. And look at India at the bottom, 132 crore, 132 crores of population, and the turnover is hardly 8,000 crore rupees. So we are calling FICCI and KPMG have released this report that this is going to be approximately 65,000 crore rupees turnover by 2025. So big opportunity is available for each of us, क्योंकि जो पिछले 20 या 25 साल के अंदर आज तक इतना टर्नओवर हुआ है, we are going to multiply it 8-9 times in coming 5 to 6 years. So here is the platform I am talking about. This is Amway 2.0. Why I am putting it 2.0? You will come to know in next 10 minutes, because you all might have heard this name a few years ago or maybe recently, but this what I am going to introduce is little different, and that's why I told you कि अगर आप कुछ समय के लिए जो चीज आपकी नॉलेज है, if you park it for 10 to 15 minutes, maybe you will learn what I am going to tell you about that. तो कुछ credentials की बात करेंगे and facts की बात करेंगे. I am not going to talk about any opinion, because earlier when this was introduced way back 20 years back to me, I had different opinions about this business, that I'm a student or I'm working in corporate world. How would I build this business? I don't know how to speak, or not many things. But when I came to know about the facts, that was totally different than my opinion. So can someone tell me what is the difference between facts and opinion? Cynthia, would you like to help me? What is the difference between facts and opinions? I believe
Fact is truth, like whatever it is happening, so that we can consider as fact. Opinion means there will be
I'm sorry, Cynthia, but your voice is a little breaking.
too many opinions we will be getting from too many people, but fact is depends on what we do. Is that right? Or
So your voice was breaking, so I could hardly listen anything, but I can make out what you are saying, that for opinion are different for different people and facts remain same, and that's correct actually. So fact is something which is truth, and based on that fact, many people make different opinions. For example, the distance from Delhi to Jaipur is 250 kilometers. So this is a fact, but it is far off or it is nearer. I mean, this could be a different opinion. Yeah. So I'm sure something is wrong maybe at your end with the connectivity, because I could hardly listen what you said. Let me move forward. So we are going to talk about facts, because the जो decision हमें लेना होता है वो facts के आधार पे लेना चाहिए हमेशा. So this is number one direct selling company in the world. $8.8 billion का टर्नओवर 2018 के अंदर रजिस्टर किया गया था. $61.3 billion of incentive and bonuses are paid. So this is a huge number. Even if we compare with the wealth of Mukesh Ambani, it is more than that. So this is a big number. कितने incentive हम already pay कर चुके हैं. 32nd number की list पे है Forbes में, and 1200 plus patents. Again, this 1200 plus patents is a very big number. Why I'm saying that? क्योंकि I studied in IIMs, then I came to know कि अगर एक पेटेंट लेना होता है, there are lot of R&D, scientists are working day night, and उसके बाद बहुत सारे टेस्ट होते हैं, मॉनिटरिंग होती है, उसके बाद बहुत सारी फाइलिंग होती है, उसके बाद पेटेंट रिलीज होता है. So 1200 is a big number. अगर हम कोरोना की बात करें, कोरोना की भी वैक्सीन जब आएगी तो उसका पेटेंट होगा, है ना. पेटेंट कब मिलेगा? जब वो पहले प्रूव हो जाएगा कि ये वैक्सीन काम करती है. वी आर व्हेनेवर वी आर गिविंग इट टू सम बच्चों को, बड़ों को, किस एज को देते हैं, फिर उनको मॉनिटर करेंगे फॉर 5 months 6 months or something. When we are assured that this is going to work for us and everyone, there is no side effect or these are the side effects associated with, then patent is granted. तो एक पेटेंट लेने का मतलब ये है कि बहुत सारी रिसर्च एंड ऑल, एंड वी हैव गॉट पेटेंट्स इन एवरी फील्ड. आई हैव नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड कि जो डिटर्जेंट हम कपड़े धोने के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं उसमें भी पेटेंट फॉर्मूला हो. कि हमने सोचा भी नहीं, कोई भी जो हमें सुपरमार्केट में मिलेगा हम उठा लाएंगे. बट यहाँ पे हमारे पास पेटेंटेड फॉर्मूला क्या कहता है कि आपके लिए डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड है. कोई नहीं लिखता कि डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड है. स्किन के ऊपर जो हम लगाते हैं लिपस्टिक या कोई क्रीम, उस पे लिखा होता है डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड. बट हियर वेदर इट इज योर detergent for cleaning clothes, it's cleaning utensils, these are like medicines. की medicines से हम ये चीजें धो रहे हैं, because totally organic. अगर कपड़े धोने के बाद हम उनको पौधों में डालेंगे, it is working like a manure for your gardening and all those things. So these are the patented formula, and over and above these are number one products, very good quality. उसके बावजूद भी we are getting 30 days money back guarantee even if you have consumed more than up to 30% of your product. Why? इसलिए कि ये business opportunity हम own कर सके without any risk. So that's why we are getting this kind of guarantee. Now let's compare a little bit that a person is going to open a conventional business or it is opting for a Amway business. What are the differences? Huge investment in conventional business and literally almost negligible or zero investment in Amway business we are starting. Time चाहिए होता है. तो शुरू में ही मैंने बताया, we are willing to work on for this business, 2 to 3 hours average, maybe 15 to 20 hours a week. If you are ready to start with these many hours, this can do miracle for. हम अभी देखेंगे भी कि कैसे होता है ये. No infrastructure required, no legalities required. All the compliances, GST, FSSAI, everything is done by company itself. We have a support system. See, this is a very highlighted, underlined thing, that we are having a university or a system that helps how to build this business. बहुत सारे आपको businesses मिलेंगे जहां पे भी हमें similar kind of opportunity है, but there is no system associated with that. We will get the mentorship program, personalized mentorship from those who are already successful in this business, and there is a system associated which is working more than 40 countries. No risk, and doesn't depend on market conditions. See, in this particular scenario, when we are struggling with COVID-19, this business is growing. Why? Because of two things. First, the nature of business. This is totally online e-commerce platform. Second, the kind of products we have. We have nutrition, wellness products. We have FMCG products. So those are recession free. आज अब थोड़ी सी कैटेगरी की बात कर लें. We are not going to talk about the products in detail right now. We have induction programs running every week. You get enrolled on that once you opt for building this business with us, and you are given the knowledge about the products, how to use, what are the best ways to use, why it is economical, how everything, and how we can make money and everything. We talk about that in the induction program we run. But just to understand the categories, we have health categories, beauty, personal care, and home care category. Not only we have these categories, we are world's leader in all these categories. Direct selling industry #1, nutrition and wellness, Nutrilite. I am sure everyone has heard a name about Nutrilite. We are #1. Artistry is again #1 in premium category. Attitude is especially designed for Indian skins, Indian people. And kitchenware, cookware. I've never heard about the cookwares where we can cook food which is healthy. We don't lose any nutrition. We can cook zero oil and we don't compromise on taste. So these are unique things we will learn. And in air purification system, Atmosphere is again world's #1 brand. These were the brands which are available in India, and I have already talked about this. This business trainings and education is available, and this is the only factor which is going to decide whether we will succeed in this business or not. You will find many people who have worked in direct selling company, maybe Amway or other, are not succeeded. Reason? They have not put enough hours, or they have not worked for more than 2 years or more, or they have not associated with the education system or their mentorship program. अगर उसके साथ associated है, success 100% guaranteed है. That I can make sure. Now, let's understand how we make money. So first, understand the conventional method that we consider. I am a consumer, or you are a consumer. Everyone is a consumer. If I am spending 100 rupees from my pocket, the product was manufactured with profit in 40 rupees. 60% was consumed by the distribution channel or advertisement. We all know that. So I am not spending much time on that. But this 60% is the money जिसके ऊपर सारे के सारे लोगों की नजर है. Whether we talk about the Ambanis or the Tatas, everyone in the middle side. Now, what direct selling says, if we are a smart consumer, हम बीच के इस चैनल को हटा सकते हैं, that we are directly connected with the manufacturer. जैसे ही हम ये करते हैं, ये 60% पैसा इतना बड़ा पैसा है कि लोगों को करोड़ोंपति अरबपति बना चुका है. और हमने देखा ही एक दिन के अंदर 1 करोड़ रुपए का टर्नओवर का पोटेंशियल है. So, by becoming a smart customer, what we are getting? First thing, instead of a good product which we are anyways bringing in our house, we are going to get world-class patented products. Instead of normal cost, we will get in the distributor price. Instead of no money back guarantee, we are getting money back guarantee. Even 30% we have consumed. Most are chemical based products. We are talking about the products which are biodegradable, eco-friendly. No personalized service. Here we are getting personalized service. Sometime way back we might have got the personalized service on TV or refrigerator, but not on the products which we are using day to day. This is a business opportunity and expenditure becomes our investment. तो यहाँ पे अलग से कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट लाख 2 लाख 50 लाख का करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The expense which we are anyways doing in our house, maybe 2000 5000 10000 कि चाहे हम कुछ सप्लीमेंट्स ला रहे हैं, कुछ कपड़े धोने का, बर्तन धोने का, क्रीम्स का, अपना हेयर स्पा और व्हाटएवर जो हम अभी भी ला रहे हैं, that becomes your investment. कैसे पैसा आता है? Two different brackets are there. One, when you become a smart customer. Second, when you become a business owner. हम दोनों की बात करेंगे. Becoming a smart customer, you will get discounted products, trade discount and customer sales incentive, which is total approximately 20%. I'm not going into details. Just understand, if you are buying a product worth 100 rupees, you are actually getting 20 rupees as a benefit. Now, if you create a team, you can get other benefits which I'll show. First of all, we are considering taking an example of 100 points. अगर आपने 100 points का business करना सीखा, which is approximately 11,000 rupees. It could be 1,000, 10,000, 50,000. I am just giving an example. क्या फायदा हुआ? 600 plus 800, लगभग 1,400 rupees we get in our bank. Now, once you help few people, I have given 6 names. It could be 6, 5, 10, 15, 40, any number, your choice. But if you have a team of 6 people and everyone is doing same thing, which is 100-point business, the income goes to 4,700 approximately. Is this a good income? I don't say this is a good income, but if you take a scenario of 1 year and you are not making any growth, but getting only 4,700 or 5,000 rupees, 50,000 a year as an extra income, I don't say it's bad. You can do multiple things with 50,000 rupees. But the great part is, once you start helping people to create a network of 6 people under them, how would you do that? BWW, this is a system which will help you. We have as a team help you how to do that, right? So once you are associated with team, it is possible. Now the income goes like 30,000 per month if you have a team of approximately 40 people who are building business with 100 points business. Now I mentioned 2.0, Amway 2.0, which is called a core plus bonus. Here at the bottom you will see core plus bonus 35%, 11,000 rupees. So these are approximate calculation. It could be plus minus, but you are making 40,000 rupees per month. And this is not a linear growth. Believe me, we are not like in a job, I will get 5% raise, 3% raise, 10% raise. This is a business which has a compounding power. And once you help few people to go, sorry, I missed out one slide. If you go 21%, this is the highest level where your turnover goes more than 11 lakh rupees. With a team of 5-6 people, it can be plus minus, but you start making 80,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees a month. It could be more than that. We will understand in detail when you join induction program. But the beauty of this business is once you help few people going 21% and they are making 80,000 rupees approximately, you become Founders Emerald. If you have 3 persons in your team who are 21% and your income is approximately 35 lakh rupees. So we are Sapphire level in this business, working more than 5-7 years. And this is the situation between 21% and Emerald. And I can say that in my job of 20 years, if I don't work for next 20 days, my income goes 0. But if I even don't work for Amway next 20 years, my income will be recession proof and ongoing income and never go 0. So this is the beauty of this business. Now the Founders Diamonds is next level, where income is like you start getting a choice what to do, whether you want to build this full time, you want to continue with your existing job. This is choice. So now you can see we are able to fulfill our dreams because most of them are associated with money, and we are not compromising on values because it is not required that you work from nowadays this is work from home. We are connected in Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur, Bangalore in single platform. This was not possible earlier. So we used to travel every week between Gurgaon, Delhi. Sometimes I may went Chennai as well. Why? Because there was a I don't say misconception or conception, but I would say there was a mindset that physical interaction is required to build this business. But now if we look at the scenario, everyone is comfortable working online from home. So we have scaled up this business like anything. Nowadays this business is growing like anything. In last 3 months we have worked so much with different people, and this same opportunity lies with you. So we are not compromising on values. We are growing a family as a business family and our own family. Spirituality, honestly, you are helping people, then only you are making money. So what kind of dreams you can fulfill? So it has an unlimited potential. We have taken vacations, foreign trips, a lot of foreign trips. We went Dubai, Singapore, Istanbul, Bali, now going Abu Dhabi, and lot many trips we have taken. And just a glimpse, if you work for a year or so, 6 months to 1 year, you could be a bronze earning 40,000 a month, platinum 80,000 a month, emerald 2.5. These are just average figures. It could be more than that, or I can say minimum figures. And the recognition is something which you get on this platform is not at all possible. I worked as vice president in my earlier company, but if you talk about any kind of recognition, that doesn't happen as such. So you have scope to earn money, get recognition, helping others, leisure time, whatever way you want to utilize. Procedure is very simple. You can register with your ID and bank details. There is no cost involved. So the moment you get registered as ADR, you get sponsoring rights to customers. You can make retails, you can buy products. But if you want the rights of sponsoring people, you should make sure that you have done 3 sponsoring of customers. We will share the detail later. And if you are able to make purchases of 5,000 rupees. So if you are done, you are given 3 months time, you become ADS, which has got sponsoring rights as well. Sponsoring rights means you can build team under you. The moment you get those rights, you can help other people build their business. So this is all from my side. The second step after joining is you start using products and connected with the team who has invited you. This is all from my side. Now over to you. किसी का भी कोई भी question हो, please feel free. I will try to address them right away. And otherwise, you can connect it with who has invited you, and he or she will be able to answer you. Now over to you. कोई भी question?
Hello?
Yeah.
I want. Hello.
Yeah, please tell me.
This is Cynthia here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just wanted to ask, like, daily, how many hours exactly we have to work on it, or is that any particular hour we have to work on the same hours or anything like that, or it's flexible?
It is not only flexible, we say this is ultra flexible. So this is always your choice. You want to work 10 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 5:30, then 6 to 6:30. This is absolutely your choice because this is your own business. You want to work Monday, then Wednesday, then Saturday, or you want to work on weekends. This is absolutely your choice. What you should make sure is you are associated with someone. In your case, this is Sunanda who can help you. So if you are associated with them, you will get the correct knowledge which meeting is important, which part is in what important, or if time doesn't suit you, you can take the recordings, and what is required at home you can do. So this is all about that.
Okay. Is this a kind of marketing job?
So first of all, this is not job. Second thing, I would not say this is marketing or selling or door-to-door selling or something. This is building a community of the aware people where we are creating our own network to build a business. Exactly same which we are doing every day. For example, I took an example that if I want to visit somewhere, if you are using good products like a soap or some supplements which helped you out, and someone is asking with you that can you suggest me something that can help my children grow? I mean, this which we are doing already, but at a next level, how to approach people to help them out, we teach you how to do that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Anyone else? किसी
Hi
को?
sir, अजीत here.
हाँ, अजीत बताइए.
सर ये क्या है कि सर मैं पहले से एक नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग कंपनी से एसोसिएटेड हूँ, और जब भी किसी को प्लान के बारे में बताना होता है तो उनका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ही यही होता है कितने लोगों का, कि ये एमवे है क्या, ये एमएलएम है क्या, तो ये कोई चेन मार्केटिंग है क्या, तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं.
करेक्ट. तो आपका क्वेश्चन ये है कि जब वो ये पूछते हैं तो हमें क्या जवाब देना चाहिए, करेक्ट?
या
ओके. सी, पहली चीज तो ये है कि अगर सामने वाला आपसे ये पूछ रहा है कि ये नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग है क्या, या ये एमवे है क्या, या कुछ और चीज है क्या, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हर कोई ये चीज पूछ रहा है, इसका मतलब जब हम उनको कुछ चीज बता रहे हैं उसके अंदर हमें अपनी स्क्रिप्ट में कुछ बदलाव करने की जरूरत है, पहली चीज. और ये जो क्वेश्चन आप जो पूछ रहे हैं, we usually address those questions in our induction program when we are teaching how to build this business. But क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी थोड़ा सा एक लेवल आगे हैं, तो मैं आपको इधर थोड़ा सा बताने की कोशिश करता हूँ. मे बी वी डोंट गो इन डिटेल, बट उसके अंदर हमें पता होना चाहिए कि when we are helping और या फिर connecting with people, or you can say we are dropping the message, we call it dropping the message. तो उसके अंदर हम किन बातों का ध्यान रखें, किन चीजों को बताएं. क्योंकि होता क्या है, जो मेरे साथ है, अगर मुझे कोई बताता है कि ये एमवे बिजनेस है, तुम करना चाहोगे, तो मैं उसको स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड नो बोल देता. लेकिन अगर क्योंकि मेरे को जानकारी नहीं है, एक पर्सन जिसको हमने केवल ये बताया एमवे बिजनेस मैं कर रहा हूं, आप करोगे, या कोई और बिजनेस, नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, कोई भी चीज की आप बात कर रहे हो, तो उसके पास ऑलरेडी उसकी कुछ नॉलेज है जो कि बहुत पॉजिटिव नहीं है. तो इट्स बेटर कि वो एक ही बिजनेस प्रेजेंटेशन देखे और उसके बाद अपनी ओपिनियन बनाए, फैक्ट्स देख के बजाय किसी और की ओपिनियन से कैरी अवे हो. तो इसलिए हम कोशिश करते हैं कि उनको पहले बिजनेस प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाएं, और इसलिए हम उनसे जब बात करते हैं तो यही बात करते हैं कि इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर डाइवर्सिफिकेशन ऑफ इनकम, वी आर वर्किंग ऑन ए वेंचर जिसके बारे में हम ये प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं, राइट? यूजुअली लोग ये वाली बात ज्यादा पूछते नहीं है, और पूछते भी है तो हम यही बात करते हैं कि वी डोंट शेयर इट ऑन फोन. इफ यू कैन स्पेयर दैट टाइम, दैट्स फाइन. इफ ही इज डिगिंग आउट मच, हम यही बात करते हैं. अगर कोई डायरेक्टली पूछता है एमवे, वी से यस दिस इज 100% एमवे, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट दैट, एंड और वो कहता है कि नहीं इस तरीके का उसमें होता है, मैं नहीं कर सकता, तो हम सीधे उनसे पूछते हैं इफ यू आर रेडी टू अनलर्न व्हाट यू हैव लर्नड सो फार, मे बी वी कैन हेल्प यू आउट. If you are not ready to unlearn, maybe this cannot work for you. So choice is yours. ठीक है? अगर आप इसके फैक्ट्स की बात करेंगे तो मैं भी यही बात करूंगा कि मैं भी ऐसा ही सोचता था, मुझे और वाकई ऐसा हुआ. प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करते हैं तो भी उसके अंदर यही है कि we were not at all aware of these products. Once we started using these products, we were in love with these products. So business का potential बहुत ज्यादा है, और we are not asking for any money. We are providing complete training how to build this business. So अगर किसी के अंदर स्पार्क है, और हम किसी को भी, जैसे मैंने शुरू में बोला, we are not promising anything, but we have potential to build this business very big. और हम लोगों के साथ, खुद के साथ ऐसा हुआ, शुरुआत के अंदर हमें ये बिजनेस बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आया, क्या बात करनी है, क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, कैसे लोगों को कांटेक्ट करते हैं। बाद में आप देखो तो इतनी बड़ी टीम है, एवरीवन इज रेस्पेक्टिंग, क्यों? क्योंकि वी हैव ब्रॉट पॉजिटिव चेंजेस इन देयर लाइफ। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग, और हर पर्सन से अलग चीज की बात रिलेट करेगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आज मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ या फिर सिंधिया से बात कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग वर्किंग रहे हैं, ये तो आपको शायद कोई और बात जो कि इससे रिलेटेड है वो अपीलिंग लगेगी, क्योंकि ये बिजनेस गिव्स मैनी मोर थिंग्स देन वी कैन इवन थिंक ऑफ। तो वी हैव टू पुश दैट बटन और प्रेस दैट बटन विच इज एक्चुअली उनका खुद का एक वो बटन है जिसके साथ वो एसोसिएट होना चाहते हैं, राइट? तो वो धीमे धीमे अंडरस्टैंडिंग आती है, बिकॉज ये चीज हमें 100% पता है कि जिसको भी हम ये बता रहे हैं ये उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा एक पॉजिटिव चेंज लेकर आने वाला है। तो जब ये चीज हमारे दिमाग में है तो कभी भी हमें किसी को कांटेक्ट करने में कोई परेशानी नहीं आने वाली, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू गिव समथिंग, वी आर नॉट चार्जिंग, वी आर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एनीवन।
Okay.
Baki case by case we usually take these things, so maybe I don't know whether I was able to answer your question. और किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज फील फ्री, अदरवाइज we will end this session.
Yeah, Piyush, Sindhya, I have a question. So do we have any target based? So per daily we have to do so much, and monthly we have to do so much. Is there any target, or we have to target on which people, whom we have to target on?
Okay. So there are 3 questions in your questions. First, any daily target for working, any target for purchases, or any target for the person, right? So
Yes.
अगर बात करें हम तो डेली टारगेट वर्किंग आवर्स का आंसर इज नो। जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया, यू हैव टू प्लान योर वीक और मंथ अकॉर्डिंग टू योर अवेलेबिलिटी एंड वर्किंग। सेकंड, टारगेट फॉर प्रोडक्ट्स और बाइंग, so as such answer is no, but answer is yes again, because there is a target, you can say target or you can say criteria for 1 year, that you should make sure that in 1 year you have made business of 10,000 rupees. It could be your personal expenses, it could be selling, it could be anything. 10,000 rupees 1 year. Third thing, target people. So target audience is everyone, जो कि मैंने पहली स्लाइड में बोला था, who is looking for something, who is ambitious. This is nothing like force. For example, you are today you have attended session, but this doesn't mean that you should work in this business. You have to work. This is your choice. If you are looking for something, you are ready to learn, you are ready to change, you are ready to take the mentorship, welcome. If no, whatever you are doing is good enough. Did I answer your question?
Yes. So I can approach anybody, maybe my family members or anybody. See, if I am approaching my own brother or my own sister, so see, I'm approaching my sister, then my sister approaches my brother. So then how this network will connect? So will this 2-person be my target chain, or like how it
I have understood your question perfectly. So don't worry about that for right now. But you can just understand that both of them will be part of your network. How would you structure? We can talk about that later. But you can make sure that both would be part of your network, and whatever they do, that will also part of your network. So all over networks activity will help you generating money. For time being, I think this is good to understand. Is that correct?
Yes. And do we have any initial investment? So we have.
So I told you about that. 5,000 rupees is one thing. Once you are done with that, you get sponsoring rights.
Sponsoring, how it works?
So if you want to sponsor your brother or sister, you cannot do it right away, right? There are 2 steps associated with that after joining. So first step is joining. Second step is making 3 customers. We are not going to discuss in detail, but you can understand that creating 3 customers, that's very easy thing, and generating purchase of 5,000 rupees. Correct? After that, there is a test associated with the KPMG. Amway has created a evaluation thing. You do it online, you get a certificate, very beautiful certificate, and you immediately get the sponsoring rights. The sponsoring rights means now you can sponsor anyone, or you can start building your team. Don't worry about any of these steps. You will get to know all those things. But yeah, if you just want to take answer of any kind of investment, you can say that the moment you cross the threshold of 5,000 rupees of purchase, you get the sponsoring rights. Correct?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and that's very easy, I would say, because every day, if we see our monthly expenses, this is more than 5,000 rupees. First thing. Second, if we don't like those products, we can very well return it them, and we can get our money back. So there is no risk at all. So if no more questions, maybe we can end this session. It was nice talking to each one of you. If you have any follow-up questions or anything before closing this session, I will take a pause of 10 seconds. If no questions or anything, I will close this session. Or maybe any feedback. Okay, so I think there is no further follow-up questions or anything. So we can close this session. So please take care of yourself. Have a nice day, and all the best for future journey with the business or whatever you are doing. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.